So a lot of our customers, they're looking at zero trust, and the biggest thing they're not really focusing on is that space of identity security. And so many customers are starting in this area where they don't know who has access to what and how they got that access or any of these things. And so when they're looking at how do I move from this single stage of maturity and how do I mature myself as an organization, it's unifying all of this information. So it's finding tools to collect data from my external systems, things like my databases, Active Directory, all of these other systems that are out there. And now I have this centralized system that now says, now I know that these people have access to this system, when they got that access, how much access they have, all of this great information. And now from there, how do I understand the context and how they're using that access? So I now want to understand where they're logging in from, where and what time they're logging in, all of this, so I can add context to the identities that are logging into the system. And I'm now putting together a story. I can now adapt to that. And if somebody is logging in from home and they're based in New York, and now all of a sudden they log out for the day, and I know they're on Eastern time, based on the information I have around their identity, now all of a sudden they're logging in an hour later from the West Coast, I know that's not possible. So now I can make decisions based on that and maybe automatically log them out, put some details around that and send notifications out. There's so much information that I have to work off of and be able to implement that across the organization.